How's it going, YouTube? In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Perfect Player IPTV app and how to get everything installed and set up. What you want to do is go left to search, type in IPTV, and go down, select the first IPTV. What you want to do is download the second app that says Perfect Player IPTV. Go ahead and select it and download it. It's a free app, so don't worry. And after it's done installing, you can go ahead and open up the app. And from here, what you want to do is go all the way to the right and go into setting, which is the last icon that looks like a gear. And select general. And the second option for playlist. And press enter and enter in the information that was provided. If you have the Amazon remote app, it'll be a lot easier to type in, but you can also use the regular remote to type everything in. And go ahead and go down to OK and press enter. And you would go down to, next you go down to EPG. Press enter and enter in the EPG information. And from here, press enter once and select download once a day and press down and OK. Press back once and down to GUI. Go all the way down to show channels groups as folder, press enter and you'll see a check mark on the right. And press back twice. And from here, give it about 30 seconds for everything to load up. And once it's done loading, you'll see the channels list on the left. What you want to do, press the menu button. And select show EPG. That will show you the TV guide once it's finished loading. And before we test everything out, press the menu button again. And change the decoder to hardware. Let's go ahead and test out a channel.
Order cereal.
To select the channel, just press enter and press enter again, and it'll pull the channel list back up. And you press left to show the categories. So you can go up or down to go through the different categories. And you want to pick a category, just go to the one you want and press enter.
To check the old smell levels. But this thing we've all done doesn't need to be a
Here's
thing.
a list of channels for sports. You go down and press enter. It will select the channel.
Scrimmage and catching passes from quarterback Eli Manning.
So anytime you want to bring up the channel list again, all you do is press enter.
Wide receiver like Marshall is reminiscent of having a player like
Let's try a different channel.
The tall type of
52 years. It was spectacular. I mean, just getting that response, seeing the love in the crowd doesn't get any better.
So inside the channel, you can press up and down. They'll change the channel, or you can press enter and bring up the channel list again.
two players in particular.
You can also press the left button that will jump to the last channel you watch, or you could just go back and press left again to bring up the different categories.
It could also help with
And
Sterling Shepard back on the field.
in the categories, you can go down through the list. You get all the HBO, Showtimes.
He's now back out there practicing.
You could just go ahead and browse around, and after all the channels, you'll see all the video on demand. You'll get all those as well, all the movies, TV shows. So anything you watch, it just plays right away.
All right, Jordan, thanks a lot. A rest period that was originally supposed to last a week has now passed
And
11
one of the
days
things
for
I wanted to
Ravens
mention
quarterback Joe Flacco as he recovers
is
from
the
tightness in
pay-per-view
his
or
back
special
that
sports
developed while he
events.
was lifting weights prior to
It'll be
training
around
camp. But despite not having
1:36,
practiced yet, Coach John
and it's
Harbaugh
called Sports
maintains
Corner.
that he's not worried about Flacco
What
being
that
ready
is
for the season opener.
the list of all the special sports or any special games that are playing during the day. So during baseball season, football season, any games that's going on, they'll be part of this list. Or any pay-per-view, any special K1 UFC fights, it'll be part of the list as well. So that's pretty much it. You can go ahead and browse around, look around.